iPhone SE 2020 is almost upon us, and it's supposed to be the iPhone 9 in a way. That's the iPhone that never came. It's also the next affordable iPhone that will come packed with some interesting features. Here's what we know so far. The iPhone SE 2020 is going to be the successor to the original iPhone SE from 2016, obviously. And the new iPhone SE 2020 is going to look exactly like the iPhone 8, which was launched back in 2017. Apple did this with the original iPhone SE by using an older chassis to cut costs and keeping the device affordable. But how do we know this? Well, according to reports and including from 9to5Mac, they found that on the official Apple accessories store online, they found that the Belkin Invisiglass Ultra Screen Protector, which was originally made for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 8, suspiciously being made available for the iPhone SE as well. It can't possibly be the old iPhone SE, therefore confirming that the new one will come with the same 4.7-inch display as the iPhone 8. Now, the page has since been updated with the iPhone SE name removed, but the internet remembers. Now, going by that, we can safely assume that the iPhone SE 2020 will come with just a single rear camera at the back, which is most likely gonna be a 12-megapixel shooter. But Apple usually uses its amazing photography software to make up for its lack of hardware. But speaking of hardware, the iPhone SE 2020 will come with the A13 Bionic chipset, the same chipset that powers the iPhone 11 series. That means you get flagship performance levels in an affordable device. Well, affordable in the Apple sense lah. In terms of memory configurations, you can expect up to 3GB of RAM, which is just 1GB less than the iPhone 11. For storage, reliable tech analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says that you can expect up to 256GB of internal storage, which is the same as the iPhone 11. So it's safe to assume that you'll get a 64GB variant, a 128GB one, and a 256GB storage variant. Elsewhere, there isn't going to be Face ID, but there will be Touch ID thanks to the home button, physical home button like the iPhone 8, and there will be no 3D touch, which should make things a little simpler. In terms of color options, according to Kuo Ming-Chi, we can expect grey, silver, or product red. The same product red that we've seen on the iPhone 11 and iPhone XR. According to 9to5Mac, we can also see black and white as well. In terms of pricing, the new iPhone SE 2020 could cost exactly the same as the original iPhone SE at 1,949 ringgit, which is definitely still affordable, especially for an iPhone. And I definitely see this as an upgrade for those of you who are still using an iPhone 7 or older, especially since it comes with an A13 Bionic chipset and iOS 13, which you can upgrade to iOS 14 later on. And like the original iPhone SE, this is meant to be a gateway iPhone for those of you who want to get into the iOS ecosystem. Now, the only real problem with the iPhone SE 2020 would be its size. We have all grown so accustomed to 6-inch smartphones that 4.7 inches may be a little too small. And I understand there are some of you who want to upgrade from something smaller and older to something larger for better media consumption. There are rumors, however, of an iPhone SE that is bigger at 5.5 inches that is based on the iPhone 8 Plus. But those are just rumors and it's nowhere near being launched yet, so we're focusing on the current 4.7-inch variant. If you're one of those who want something bigger, then this may not be for you. Regardless, it's still an interesting device considering its price point, and we will be waiting with bated breath for its launch. Let us know down in the comments below, would you buy the iPhone SE 2020? Would you wait for a larger version, or would you just go for like an iPhone 10 or something? Let us know, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, remember to subscribe. This is Victor signing off, bye bye.